हर एक आदमी को जानने की जरूरत है, हर एक आदमी की एक माँ है, उनको भी ये पीरियड पेन होता है,
But she doesn't tell you.
लेकिन वो आपसे कह नहीं सकती है।
Every man may have a sister.
हर एक आदमी की एक बहन होती है,
A sister may have period pain, but she don't tell you.
सिस्टर को भी पीरियड पेन हो सकता है।
In India, we don't discuss this. We keep quiet.
हम भारतीय हैं, इसलिए इन चीजों पर कोई बातचीत नहीं करते हैं।
Many men will get married.
बहुत सारे लोग, मतलब सभी आदमी की शादी होती है,
You have a wife.
सभी की
Wife have a period
शादी
pain.
होती है, उन्हें भी पीरियड पेन
You
होता
don't
है,
tell the husband.
लेकिन हस्बैंड को पता नहीं रहता है।
You don't tell the husband the period pain. So husband don't know, men don't know about period pain. Understand? Next, you may have
पुरुषों
a
को एहसास
daughter.
ही नहीं होता है कि पीरियड पेन क्या होता है।
You may have a daughter. Your daughter may have a period pain. You may not have daughter, you may have son. Or your son may have a daughter-in-law. And that can also be painful for you. So many women are suffering with pain. It's not, madam.
बहुत सारी महिलाओं को इस दौर से गुजरना ही पड़ता है।
Some women cannot go to work.
कई बार महिलाएं अपने कार्यस्थल पर नहीं जा सकती हैं पीरियड पेन की वजह से।
Okay? Now, what's your name, madam?
डी उषा रानी,
Usha. Your name, madam? Indra.
श्रीमती इंदिरा चंद्राकर।
We got Indra and Usha. Who they came with? Who he came with? He came alone.
आप किसके साथ आए हैं?
No, my children.
Where's the children?
Sir.
Stand up.
समीप से
Come here.
आ जाओ यहाँ पर।
Who he came with, madam? Husband. Husband there. Stand up. Husband stand there. Oh, he came with children. The son came alone. Husband. Stand there, sir. Stand there. Look in front.
सामने देखिए सर,
Come here.
समीप
Stand up.
सामने देखो,
Stand up.
ऊपर आ जाओ।
Okay. What are you going to do now? You are going to heal your mother's period pain.
आपको क्या करना है? आपकी मदर का पीरियड पेन ठीक करना है, हीलिंग करना है।
You are going to heal your wife's period pain.
आपको आपके वाइफ का पीरियड पेन हील करना है।
Put a hand like that.
आप पॉइंट को पकड़ लीजिए,
Put up.
ऐसे
Healing wand.
करिए,
Healing wand.
हीलिंग मान
Become as powerful as required.
जरूरत के हिसाब से शक्तिशाली होकर
Heal my mother's period pain.
मेरी मदर या वाइफ के पीरियड पेन को ठीक
My
करें।
wife's period pain. You must say. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing. Madam, when you become zero, put a hand like that. Okay? When the pain becomes zero, put a hand like that. Okay?
आपका अगर दर्द जीरो हो जाता है तो हाथ उठा
Keep
दीजिए।
on doing. Sir, इडली, what
छोटा छोटा करना है, बड़ा राउंड नहीं बनाना है।
Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing. The son is healing the mother. Husband is healing the
बेटा
wife.
अपनी माँ की पीरियड पेन का उपचार कर रहे हैं और हस्बैंड अपनी वाइफ का।
Let's see what happened. Pain coming down, madam.
दर्द कम हो रहा है मैडम?
Let's talk about the pain, madam. Okay? Madam, pain coming down. Huh? Pain still there. Good. Never mind. Heal. Let it heal. छोटा बोल कराएंगे वो जल्दी से करता है। Okay, madam. Let's talk about pain now. Huh? Let's talk pain. Then I go to pain. Let's go to pain. Huh? Let's go to pain. How much now, madam? How much? Your pain. How much your pain? Come down. How much? Come. No, come down. 10. No. No one. No, come down or no pain.
काम हो रहा है या नहीं हुआ
Ah,
सर?
no. It's not
Not reviewed.
It's okay. Let it be.
Remaining at the same place.
So it is then. Madam, finish. Madam, yeah, uterus pain, period pain, but back pain different, madam. Let's talk about the period pain. Period pain got or not?
दर्द कम हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? सर इट इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग।
Sometimes the period pain becomes back pain. Understand? So let's talk about and then I go
कई
to
बार
back
पीरियड
pain.
पेन बैक पेन में तब्दील हो जाता है।
zero, madam. It's okay, madam. Just say zero. Then I will do the other one. I'm here to heal a period pain, but there's no period. Say there's no period pain. That's all. We have a period pain right now, madam.
अभी है हाँ
Madam,
Yes, ma'am.
my question to you is, do you have a period pain right now? No, finish. That's all. Stop. Good. You, madam. Madam. Huh? Exactly. Stop healing.
80%
Madam,
है, 80%.
listen to me, madam. Good. So 80% left. Heal. Now 20% down. 80% remaining. Husband.
20% ठीक हुआ है 80% अभी भी रह गया है
And his husband can be anywhere in India. Can be in Kerala. Can heal away from Kerala. Can be in United States of America. Can heal away from United States of America. He can heal from anywhere in the world.
आप में से ये हीलिंग आप कहीं से भी बैठ के दुनिया के किसी कोने से भी किसी का भी हीलिंग कर सकते हैं
Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Keep on going. How much pain, madam?
दर्द कितना है
50% off.
50% चला गया है 50% है अभी भी
In Chhattisgarh, he's the first man who's healing the wife's period pain.
छत्तीसगढ़ में ये पहले आती हैं जो अपने धर्मपत्नी का पीरियड पेट हील कर रहे हैं
Yes or no? First man,
जोरदार ताली हो जाए
wife period pain in Chhattisgarh. We'll put in the book of records in Chhattisgarh. First man who healed wife period pain. Yes or not, sir? Yes or not? Yes. Many men don't even understand what the period pain. They don't understand. Let me tell you, a lot of women are suffering because of this pain zero. Huh? Pain zero. How much now? How much?
कितना बचा है कितना बचा है
How much? Go. Keep on doing.
60% चला है
40% remaining. Keep on doing, sir. You want the pain to become zero, sir? You want the pain to become zero? You want the pain to become zero? Do you want the pain to become zero?
Translation.
Stand up. Come on top. Will you do what I say? Will you do what I say?
Translation.
जो हम कहेंगे आप करेंगे ना ये
Will you do what I say?
यस
Turn around.
पीछे घूमिए
Hug your wife.
Hug your wife.
Say I love you.
उनको
Say I love you. Say I love you. Say I love you.
उनको बोलिए कि आप मुझे प्यार करते हैं बोलिए आई लव यू
Get out. Get out. How much the pain, madam?
दर्द कितना है आपको 90% ठीक हो गया
Women need love, not rules, not condition. Understand, my friend? All the men watch. Women need the love of the husband. Understand? If that can happen, women can live without pain. Every morning, hug her, I love you. Problem solved.
सभी पुरुष रोज सुबह अपनी पत्नी को आई लव यू बोलेंगे
Is your wife sad? You must tell her. You don't tell her, who's going to tell her I love you? You are the one who tell her.
यदि आप नहीं कहेंगे तो कौन कहेगा
No, we must understand the simple emotional issue. Sometimes it's emotion. Understand, my friend?
ये एक सामान्य भावनात्मक पहलू है जिसे हम सबको समझना होगा
We have seen many people who keep sad, so sad. Husband don't talk to me. Husband don't take me anywhere.
ऐसे बहुत से लोगों से मिले हैं जिनको
Husband only take care of his own mother and his own sister only. Never take care of me. How many women are in the house, brother? The men only take care of the husband and the mother and sister, but don't take care of their own wife.
महिलाओं की ये शिकायत रहती है कि पति जो है उनके बारे में सोचते नहीं हैं उनकी भावनाओं का ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं वो अपनी माँ के बारे में सोचते हैं पत्नी
Sometimes this very emotional pain.
अक्सर ये दर्द जो है वो इमोशनल दर्द ज्यादा रहता है शारीरिक
Pain
दर्द से
zero
ज्यादा।
now. Pain zero now. Listen to me.
अभी इनका दर्द पूरी तरह से ठीक हो गया है।
Okay?
जी मैडम,
Okay, sir.
अभी 10% बचा है सर, हीलिंग करते रहिए। 10%
Here's the one. Here.
10% और हील कीजिए।
Now you say, now you change. Change program. Healing one.
हीलिंग ऑन है।
Become as powerful as required to heal my wife's uterus. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on healing. Every man must know where's your wife's uterus. You know what? You came from the uterus. You know that?
Yes.
Every man, every
हर
woman
पुरुष को ये जानना
come from
चाहिए
another woman's uterus.
कि स्त्री का यूट्रस कहाँ होता है, क्योंकि हम सब उसी यूट्रस से बाहर आए हैं,
Know that.
इसलिए हमें शरीर के
It's
उस
where a
जानकारी
child
होनी
is
चाहिए।
born. Uterus of the mother. Some mothers have given birth to 16 and 17 children.
कुछ माताओं ने 16-17 बच्चों को जन्म दिया है।
Nowadays we don't have that.
अब ऐसा
Those
नहीं
days,
है।
15, 16 children. I know a woman had 18 children.
हम एक
18.
ऐसी महिला को भी जानते हैं जिनके 18 बच्चे हैं।
And out of the 18 children, three were twins.
उन 18 में से 3 जो हैं, 3 जोड़े ट्विंस हैं, यानी 6
How
बच्चे ट्विंस
different
हैं।
the twins from the mother? To have twins and get pregnant again and again and again for 18 times. No, 6 minus 18, for 14 times. Very easy? Not easy. But today we cannot find mothers like that. We cannot find. How much pain, madam? Pain is 0.
मैम अभी ठीक है जी, उनका दर्द अभी पूरी तरह से ठीक हो गया है।
Huh?
बैक पेन है,
My pain has or gone?
बैक पेन इज देयर।
Because your period pain can be the back pain. When this pain goes, that pain goes. Back pain gone, madam? Gone or no? Yes or
बैक
no?
पेन इज देयर, यस यस।
How much the back pain? No, how much?
अभी कितना दर्द है मैम? 10 में कितना?
Hold the one. The healing on. Become as powerful as required.
As powerful as
To
required.
heal my wife's back pain. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, keep on. Remember, you can do this.
करते रहिए उसको, आप करते रहिए।
You can do the same thing.
आप सभी ये कार्य कर सकते हैं।
Give instruction and turn. That's all.
सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्शन दीजिए गार्ड को और ये हीलिंग कीजिए, ये आप किसी के लिए भी कर सकते हैं।
The instruction is healing on. Become as powerful as required to heal my wife's back pain, my mother-in-law's back pain, my sister-in-law's back pain,
Instruction.
my back pain.
सिर्फ इतना ही
So,
कहना है कि हीलिंग वार्ड आप आवश्यकता अनुसार इतने शक्तिशाली हो जाएं कि मेरी पत्नी का, मेरी बहन का, माँ का जो भी उनका दर्द है उसको आप ठीक कर दें और उसके बाद इस प्रक्रिया को करना है।
Come down. Come down. Keep on doing. And it's zero
दर्द
pain.
कम हो रहा है।
You tell me it's zero. Tell me when the pain is zero. Okay?
आप बताइए जब आपका दर्द पूरा खत्म हो जाए।
How much better? Now, touch the pain. Touch the pain. Touch the pain, madam. Touch, touch, touch. So, yeah. Change program. Healing one. Become as powerful as required to heal the pain area where my wife is touching. Touching. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on doing. Now the program change is now healing the back pain area where the wife is touching. You touch the pain and change the program. Come here, touch it, touch it, touch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2. How much better? Now, let them heal. So go and heal her. When it comes, you keep on healing.
आप हीलिंग करते रहिए।
Go that side, go that side.
थोड़ा सा और उधर हो जाइए। हाँ आप healing-
Madam is saying, can I stay with everybody?